turning thrift store finds into DIY masterpieces. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something I absolutely love, thrifting and DIY. I recently hit up a local thrift store and found some incredible pieces that I can't wait to show you. We're going to turn these finds into beautiful, functional, and unique projects. Whether you're here for inspiration or just love a good thrift haul, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the treasures I found. First up, check this out. A cute little mouse-shaped trinket dish. It's adorable, but it's a bit plain. I've got an idea to jazz this up and make it a chic addition to any dresser. Next, this stunning conch shell caught my eye. It's giving me serious coastal vibes, and I'm thinking of turning it into something that'll light up the room, literally. And finally, a few random pieces like old picture frames, glass jars, and a woven basket that I know can be turned into something amazing. Stick around because we're transforming these into something truly special. Before we jump into the DIYs, let's take a moment to appreciate why thrifting is so awesome. Not only are we saving money, but we're also reducing waste and giving pre-loved items a new life. Plus, thrifting is like a treasure hunt. You never know what you'll find. Let's start with the mouse trinket dish. It's cute, but it needs a little personality. I'm going to paint it with a soft pastel shade and add some gold details to make it pop. This will turn it into a stylish piece perfect for holding jewelry or other small items. Now onto the conch shell. I'm transforming this into a candle holder. First, I'll clean it up to bring out its natural beauty. Then I'll fill it with soy wax and add a wick. Once it's done, it'll be a perfect coastal-inspired decor piece. Next, those picture frames I picked up. They're getting a vintage makeover. With a little paint and some distressing, they'll have a charming, shabby chic vibe, perfect for displaying photos or artwork. And let's not forget the glass jars. With some twine and fairy lights, these will make gorgeous rustic lanterns, ideal for cozy nights or outdoor gatherings. The woven basket is my final project. I'm giving it a fresh coat of white paint and lining it with fabric to create a stylish storage basket. It's perfect for blankets, magazines, or even as a plant holder. Thrifting and upcycling are all about seeing the potential in things others overlook. You don't need a big budget to create beautiful, unique pieces for your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which project was your favorite, or if you've done something similar. Share this video with your friends who love thrifting and DIY, and let's inspire more creativity together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!